Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Honda Accord paddle shifters. To begin, understand that paddle shifters give you manual control over your car's gears, even in an automatic transmission. You'll find them conveniently located right behind your steering wheel. The left paddle is for downshifting, and the right paddle is for upshifting, allowing you to quickly change gears with a simple tap. Paddle shifters are great for various driving situations. For instance, when going downhill, downshifting helps with engine braking, reducing wear on your conventional brakes. On flat roads, upshifting can improve your fuel efficiency by keeping the engine at lower RPMs. They also add a fun, engaging element to your driving experience, especially on winding roads where you want more control. To get the most out of your paddle shifters, remember a few best practices. Always aim for smooth shifts to maintain comfort and control, avoiding any abrupt movements. Be mindful not to over-rev your engine, especially when downshifting, as this can cause unnecessary strain. If you stop using the paddles for a short period, your Honda Accord will typically revert to its automatic drive mode. For advanced use, practice in a safe, open area to get a feel for the timing and responsiveness of the shifts. Don't hesitate to experiment with your Accord's different driving modes, as they can interact uniquely with paddle shifter inputs. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.